Hello, everybody. Welcome to Chinese Around You, your go-to podcast for practical Chinese learning. I'm Melissa, and today we are unlocking the secrets of Chinese grammar. No matter if you're learning HSK 1 or aiming for advanced levels, these methods will help you build sentences confidently and avoid common mistakes. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about layered learning. Instead of memorizing all grammar rules at once, start with simple structures and build up. For example, HSK 1. Learn basic SVO. Subject, verb, object. 我喜欢苹果. I like apples. HSK 3. Add time words. 明天我要去北京. Tomorrow I will go to Beijing. HSK 4. Include clauses. 虽然下雨了，但他还是去跑步了. Although it rained, he still went running. Here is the practice tip. Start with one sentence structure daily. Repeat it 5 times out loud to build muscle memory. Next, learn grammar in chunks. Chinese often uses fixed patterns. For example, negation. 不 for general negation. 我不喜欢咖啡. 我不喜欢咖啡. I don't like coffee. 没 for completed actions. 他没吃饭. 他没吃饭. He didn't eat. And for questions, we add 吗 for yes or no questions. 你是学生吗? 你是学生吗? Are you a student? Here is one example. Instead of learning la as a single particle, remember the chunk. Verb plus la equals completed action. 我吃了饭. 我吃了饭. I ate. Here is one simple challenge. Create a sentence using 不 or 没, then feel free to share it in the comments. Finally, compare Chinese and English grammar. This helps avoid confusion. For example, adjective placement. In Chinese, 漂亮的花. 漂亮的花, beautiful flower. In English, beautiful flower, same order. For plurals, Chinese uses context. 书 book versus 两本书 two books. And in English adds s book books. There's a very common mistake here. I have 3 apples. 我有3个苹果. 我有3个苹果 instead of 我有3个苹果们. Here is a tip. You can keep a notebook of grammar differences to review weekly. We have learned 3 different methods. 1 is layered learning. Start simple, then add complexity. 2, pattern chunking. Master phrases like verb plus la or ma questions. 3, compare and contrast. Highlight differences between your language in Chinese. Thank you for listening. Follow the Chinese around you for more grammar hacks. Leave a comment with your biggest grammar challenge. Until next time, keep practicing and 加油 keep going. 我是 Melissa， 和我一起听懂中文，读懂世界。